Yo, big spiders! Today I'm going to show you a Kingshot hack so you can get unlimited gems. This works on iOS and Android, so I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get straight into the guide. Alright, let me just show you the tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to open up Kingshot, show you guys. So as you can see, I'm broke. But now I can add unlimited gems. So let's see if it goes up. I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's see if the gems start rising, and then I'm going to show you to get this Kingshot hack so you can get unlimited gems too. So let's see if this works. So yeah, as you can see, I've only got 700 right there, so it should start going up. So let's see if this works or not. So yeah, hopefully it rises. And there you go, guys. As you can see, the gems are going up. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. So let's get into the guide. All right, so first thing we're going to do is go to this website. So this is the website right here. So just type in Kingshot, press download, and then there's like a verification you got to do. So basically you got to download like some apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download. So at the end it's going to say missing files. So I just had to download some of these apps. So we got like Reco Social, Mo Casino. So yeah, just make sure you do 2 of them. You're gonna be good to go. So yeah, you press help, you got the video. So that's how I get Kingshot hacked for your device. This is super amazing. So I'm gonna see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it's totally working. So if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys later. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's super cool. You know, I've tested it. So yeah. Enjoy it. Peace out.